Good day, everyone. CEO of Hamster Combat. Yeah, we're all CEO of Hamster Combat. There is a new added tax by the Hamster. They have added a new code which is called the mouse code. So to guide us on how we can do that mouse code to able to win their 1 million coin and claim it. So they have started the project like 2 days ago. Today makes it the third day. They introduced it on the 5th. So many people have started theirs since that very first day, and they get the answers, and they have the 1 million coin added to their balance. Okay, let me take you in. Let's start. Press play. It's loading. All right. It may take a while to load because the site has have more people added to the community, and their maintenance are working on the site to make it more faster. So if you find it difficult not to log in, just keep trying it. It will later allow you to log in. It's because they are working on that site because of the amount of people joining the Amstan family. So like you can see, I'm inside my app now. It has opened up. I'll claim this amount on my screen. Yeah, as I was saying, to help us on how we can unveil our the 1000 mouse code that they have introduced to Amstan Combat, so you can also be part of the people that can claim the Amstan mouse code, because each day have its own word. Like 2 days ago, the word was BTC. Why, as of yesterday, it was ETH. That is just the short meaning of Ethereum. Now today, 7th June, the award for today is Ethereum, or to spell it in full, Ethereum. All right. So I will guide us on how to do that. Firstly, as you can see, this place that I'm tapping now, that we tap our coin out from this box here, and it keep increasing on our balance up here. As we are tapping here, it's increasing our balance up here, where you can see my 87,640,700, and the rest are there. As I'm mining now, it's keep increasing. As we see, this same very circle is blue all round. This circle that circle this doll, as we see, so it's going to turn red by the time we want to play the mouse code. So it's going to turn red. So let me take you on how to get that. All right. There is this place. There's this place. It's called N per tap. This icon here, that is called N per tap. N per tap. where I just boxed it now. That is the place you are going to click to change the icon I showed you earlier to red, and you have other color around it. Where I just boxed it now, on my left up here, you are going to tap it 3 times. Just watch the way I'm doing it. 1, 2, 3. You see, where we used to tap has turned, the background has changed. That is where we will have our words of the day to spell out. And there is technique on how to do that. Just listen carefully and also follow the instruction, not to mix out. All right. Okay. The word for today is called Ethereum. Ethereum. And also, as you see, as after we pointed, pick that icon, pointed it by 3 times. There is this write up that comes up. See, as where I pointed, it's called daily ciphers. It's called daily ciphers. So each word of the day that they gave, after you get it correctly, you can be able to claim this 1 million Hamster coin. You will win it and claim it. So it also help most of us that maybe we haven't refer people to the site that will help us to open some of our card that is locked and to win their 5 million coin daily. This also will help you to have their 1 million coin at least. And there are so many ways of earning the coin. There's a place you need to visit every day to claim the daily coin. That is how to earn, and also you tap from the place that we used to tap also to earn their coin. So this one is just introduced new, the mouse code to also claim the coin. All right, let me help us to spell the word for today. The word for today is called Ethereum. All right, the Ethereum start with E. To get the word correctly, it starts with E. It all starts with, all right, let me go back. I return back to the normal boxed blue area where we used to tap our coin out. As you can see, I'm tapping the coin out from this place. So the thing we need to know about how to make use of this mouse code is that it just have to do with dots. Just as I tapped it, just one, that is dot. This tapping just stand for dots. Tap stand for dots. Why, if you see dash, the dash you need to hold down a while, like some seconds, and you leave. You remove your finger from there. You hold down a little while and you lift your finger from there. So you bring out that other dot, other like a dash. So it's all about it's just 2 words, dot and dash, dot and dash. And there's how you play. You use those dot and dash to have a letter from it. So let's go back to how we spell our Ethereum today. As I told you before, go back to that icon where they write N per tap. You tap it 3 times. The color has changed. Now let's spell E. E is just one tap. As you can see, E has come to where those up of the where I just tapped. As you can see, there is E there. How to get your T? You hold that place down a bit and lift your hand. The T has come up just once. How to get your H. You tap 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. The H has come up. Now how to get your E. Just one tap. That is the E. How to get R. To get the letter R, you tap and you hold down. You tap. Oh, sorry. Let's start all over again. See, those words have disappeared there. So let's start all over again. How to get your E. Tap. The E has come up. To get your T, you hold down and remove your hand. It has brought the T upward. To get your H, you tap, excuse me, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. The H has come up. How to get the E. One tap. The E has popped up. How to get your R. You tap, hold down and tap like this. Tap, hold down, tap. The R has come up. How we can get our E. Just one tap. The E has topped up. How you can get your U is tap, tap, hold. So I'm going to tap, 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 hold. I remove my hand. See, U has come up. To get the M, the last letter, you hold, you move your hand, you hold, you move your hand. As you can see, I've gotten mine for today. The word is called Ethereum. So it has popped up this, say, daily Cipher. The code is cracked. You are a real detective. So take the prize. So I'm going to go ahead to take the 1 million coin. Now it has been added to my balance. For I was having 87 million. Now it has added 1 million to it. So that is how we get our daily Morse code, which is called daily Cipher. That is how we get the Morse mouse code for the day. So as you can see, after I've gotten it, they have ticked this. They tick it. This plan has been ticked. See, it has been ticked right with a green background. It has been ticked right. So I've gotten mine for today. So guys, you can also go and do your own to get it. All right. So more updates will be coming up. Now, if you want to return to the normal background, just tap 3 times on that icon on your left to return. So you can start doing your normal tapping from your phone. All right, that is it for today. So more will be unveiled anytime there is an update. I will let every one of us know. Thanks for watching.